Now that we know about the structure of nucleus, let us try to understand how the cells can be classified based on the presence or absence of well-defined nuclear region. So here, for easy understanding of this concept, I have drawn two diagrams. The first one is of a bacterial cell and second is of an animal cell. Both the cells contain their genetic material, which I have shown in red color. But in the first case, the genetic material lies freely in the cytoplasm without any protective layer. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only genetic material is called as nucleoid, and such cells are called as prokaryotic cells. If you just split this term, pro means primitive, karyot means nucleus. So these cells have primitive nucleus which are not evolved. What about the eukaryotic cells? If you observe over here, the genetic material is surrounded by nuclear membrane. So we say eukaryotic cells have well-defined nuclear region. Now let us observe these diagrams carefully and try to bring about some more point of differences between the two cells. If you observe this animal cell, it is studded with numerous cell organelles. But here, there are no cell organelles seen. So the second point of difference between the two is that prokaryotic cells lack membrane-bound cell organelles. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells have membrane-bound cell organelles. What else? If you observe over here, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 chromosomes. Here there is a single chromosome. And this is the fact. Prokaryotic cells have a single chromosome. On the other hand, eukaryotic cells contain more than one chromosome. Now, how many chromosomes will be present in a cell? That depends upon the organism. For example, if it is a cell from human, it will have 46 chromosomes. Last but not least, if you observe these both diagrams, here the bacterial cell appear to be a bit smaller in size compared to animal cell, right? And this is the fact. The prokaryotic cells are smaller in size as compared to eukaryotic cell. So that's all for this video. See you all in the next video.
Do like, subscribe and share this video.